Looking for a carbon monoxide alarm to keep you and your family safe when you are at home, camping, or on travel? I believe Wolf Shield would be your best choice. Wolf Shield CO alarm would give you quick real-time reading on carbon level, and the alarm will be triggered when there is a danger. You can also simply press the test button to let it quickly read the carbon level of your surroundings. The size of it is also small. It is only 2.75 by 2.75 inches and can be easily carried around. They are perfect for indoor and outdoor use that include home, office, campsite, tent, RV, lodge, and hotel room. A built-in sealed lithium battery would operate for 10 years. Just imagine how much money it would save you on AA batteries. You will quickly realize this carbon monoxide alarm is almost free. This alarm is in compliance with the Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm Regulations 2015 in England and Scotland and certified by TÜV in Germany. It is also easy to install, and you won't take more than 5 minutes. Now you will know why Wolf Shield is reckoned as the best carbon monoxide alarm in 2022, and I hope you find this video introduction helpful.